This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City. I am Jontee and we are back with another eyeshadow detail. So if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at the Kid in the City, and of course make sure you subscribe. And if this is not your first time, welcome back to another eyeshadow detail. We are getting into this nice soft look. Okay, we're using the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I use this palette a lot. This is like maybe like the 5th or 6th time I've used it. It's one of my absolute favorites. It's very versatile, very brown girl friendly, very nighttime eyeshadow look friendly. It's super easy. The colors are insane. So we're just gonna jump right into it to go over the ins and outs, the brushes used, and all the colors used to achieve this nice eyeshadow look. So if you want to see all the ins and outs, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Hello and welcome back to another eyeshadow detail. We are about to, of course, get into the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've used this palette 1,000 times and I'm gonna keep using it because it's just that damn good, okay? I don't gotta explain myself. We are doing a nice glam today. I am pairing this eye with a red lip, so I am gonna keep that in mind. But it's like holiday glam if you want to think about it that way. That's kind of like the idea, and I'm just gonna build up from that. I have no clue, excuse me, I have no clue how I know how I want it to look, but I'm kind of winging it as I usually do. But we're just gonna jump right into it. So here we go. All right, so y'all know the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills is my favorite. So that's the eyeshadow that we're going into with today. I cannot talk, but yeah, we already know how I feel about this palette. It's really good. I'm gonna keep using it, so let's get into it. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm gonna start with Rustic, which, hold on, let's do this. So I'm going to start with Rustic, which is going to be this color right here. This is the shade I'm going to start with. Okay, so starting with Rustic, I'm just going to go right on the base of my lid. I can't even see that. What? Okay, so we're not starting with Rustic. I really don't know what shade I want to start with. I need to make a decision. Okay. So I'm going to start with Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. Yeah. Okay, so starting with Burnt Orange, we're going to go right on the lid. So this is Burnt Orange. She's cute. This is going to be the first color that we start off with. Again, cleaning my brushes with the crayon case brush cleaner. Okay, so now with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that actually came with the palette, this is what the brush looks like. It's two-sided, a firm side and a fluffy side. I am going to go in now with Cypress Umber. So Cypress Umber, where is it? Come on. Okay, so Cypress Umber is going to be this nice deep brown right here. And So Cypress Umber is the really nice deep brown, and I'm just gonna do this as like my transition shade just on the outer part of my lid, like so. And then I am going to just bring it down a little bit, like right into the corner right there. But not too much Cypress Umber, to be honest, because I don't want this look to get too brown. So I really just want to place it, and then I'm just going to blend it out with the fluffy side of that brush. Like I said, just a little bit on her, not too much. Then blending it right out. Like so. Actually, I want to use a different fluffy. Let's do this one. Just like so. Bong. Now there is black in my outfit, so I am going to bring in a little bit of a black component. So we're going to go in with Noir. Damn. So we're going to go in with Noir, which is this black right here. So with Noir, I'm just going to take a little bit of that black and just put a little bit in the crease, just to define that crease a little bit more. Like literally right above my eyeball, just because I want a little bit of black, because it's going to be a little black in the outfit. So I don't want it to be too light, you know, but almost like that brown will like be underneath the black to still like blend it out, so it's not like a smoky look, but you know, like still cute though, you know, maybe not. Okay, so we're going to take another fluffy and just blend out the black. And now I'm going to go back in with Cypress Umber and just blend the top of that out just a little bit. And add that the Cypress Umber right on top of Noir. Then I'm going to take a big fluffy and blend those two. So it's like that. Then I'm going to go back in with just a little more Noir right there. And then we're going to go back in with that burnt orange and just put a little more back at the very beginning of the lid. Okay, so this is the eye that we have right now. That's the eye. So I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, so I did the other eye, and I did go in with my concealer and just clean up the edges. So this is the look so far. I am gonna be back because I'm gonna do, of course, a little bit of eyeshadow on the bottom lid, and then we'll go forward with the you know, with the final look. So I'm gonna finish the rest, and then I'll be back to do the bottom lid, and then we'll just keep this trucking along. But again, another eyeshadow detail, another glam look using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got to the part where I would usually add a little bit on the bottom lid, but to be honest with you, I don't want to anymore. I've changed my mind. I love the way this looks, and I actually don't want to touch it, add anything to it, take anything away. So we're gonna get to the final look, and then we're just gonna wrap up the eyeshadow detail in the final look, because I'm not putting anything on the bottom lid. I'm just not gonna do it. All right, so we are here with the final eyeshadow look. This is it. It came out super pretty. Now, I did decide not to do anything on the bottom lid, and I did change from a red lip that I was originally planning on doing to this nice glossy brown, just because I feel like the eyeshadow came out more brown than I anticipated. So I just didn't feel like the red would have gone with it. The red could have gone with it either way, but I just feel like I like this lip better, so I changed it. Anyway, we got back into the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is of course one of my favorite palettes. I've used it like maybe 5 or 6 times since I got it, and I haven't had it that long. So super versatile palette. It always gives me really good nighttime looks. It's super sultry, you know, very nighttimey. I'm just gonna show you the shades again. So again, it's just like a super, like, the nighttime looks, this palette just eats the nighttime looks. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, that was it. So again, if you do want to see the full glam for this entire look, I'm going to link it right here. You can watch that full glam video. But that is it. Another eyeshadow detail in the books. Thank you so much for tuning in. Of course, do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. And I will see you again very soon. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time, bye.